So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I'll teach you how to create 3D packaging and mockup design animation. Guys, I teach you how to create t-shirt design, hoodies design, and any 3D product. So guys, best website is Pacdora. Guys, Pacdora is the largest mockup and 3D product templates platform, and they have 5,000 plus product design. So I show you how to create new style of 3D product design animation with using Pacdora. Okay, it's Pacdora website. So they have largest mockup 3D templates. And now guys, I teach you this time how to create new style of t-shirt, hoodie and 3D products. So firstly guys, click on here and new generate check. So guys, see, I have lots of 3D products. So guys, you can choose anyone. But in my case, firstly, I show you hoodies. So click on here. This is my hoodie designs. See guys, that's my different style of hoodies. So guys, you can choose anyone, but in my case I like this one. This hoodie is perfect for me. So click, and now guys, I apply logo and texture. So guys, click on here, upload. Guys, you can apply any texture. So click on here, click and enter. See, png file, simple, add. And guys, simple. Guys, you can set your image on this one front and go to on here. See guys, that's my viewport. It's really cool. So little bit smaller, more, and go to unmade. Yeah, perfect. See guys, it's my 3D mockup. And now guys, you can apply second one. So it's my back. So add. Yeah, and same smaller like this. And guys, go to on here. See guys, it's my mockup. So center on made. Yeah, and little bit more smaller. See guys, that's my really cool effect. And center on backside. Yeah, right. See, it's my different and really cool 3D mockup design effect. So go to on here, element. And guys, see, that's my different style of elements. Right. And go to on save. So guys, now I teach you how to change hoodie color. So click on here, custom material. And see guys, that's my different style of object. So guys, click on here. This my body hood. And guys, click like this. See guys, it's my red color. And guys, you can change different colors depending on your work. Like this one. Yeah. Enter and curve. So guys, see, that's my different colors. Right? Okay. So guys, it's white is perfect. And ham. Click on here. Yeah, this hoodie is perfect, right? So guys, now guys, I show you animation. So how to create this type of animation? This one. So click on here and AI video. Yeah, that's my different style of animation. So click on here. Yeah, see. It's really simple, guys, right? And click on here also. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so guys, now you can change transparent background also. So I show you how to create transparent background. So click on here, AI and solid and color transparent. Yes, perfect. See guys, that's my transparent background. And also guys, you can create AI effect. So click on here, this is my color and AI. Click on here, AI and create AI background check. Yeah, right. See guys, that's my AI background. So guys, this time you can use any background. So, but guys, I like this one. So select this one. This image is perfect and click on here, generate. Guys, take a little bit time. Yeah, perfect. Because that's my AI effect and click on here is best for me, right? And now guys, you can save this image on resolution full HD 2K. So go to on export. But guys, this time I like 2K resolution is perfect and export check, right? It's my simple image. And now next one guys, I show you how to export video. So go to on back here and see guys, that's my export. So click on here and video, and I have lots of animation, default animation. So click on here. So export now, check. Really simple, right? Guys, my exporting is working, and click on here. See, it's my exporting, right? It's really simple. And guys, it's my first effect. And now second one, guys, I show you how to create t-shirt design. So go to a back, and this is my t-shirts. See, guys, you can choose any t-shirts. Pacdora have lots of 3D mockups. So I like this one. And now, guys, you can firstly change color. So go to on here, custom material, check. Because that's my different custom material, right? And go to on here. Yeah, this t-shirt design texture is perfect. See guys, it's my different texture material. Okay, so guys, I like this one, and go to on back. And guys, you can change also t-shirt color. So custom part, check. And see guys, that's my neck and body. So guys, body color change little bit. Yeah, is perfect. See, right? You can change any color t-shirt and any body, actually any t-shirt part. So go to on back, and now guys, I show you how to apply beautiful texture. So go to on here, upload and add image. Guys, I already create some texture. So click and apply. Yeah. And guys, smaller like this. Yes. It's my bag. I like this one. Yes. And second one, guys, again, add. And I like this design. So go to on smaller and mid. Guys, Pacdora is a really simple for any 3D product design. So little bit bigger. And guys, go to on here. This is my viewport, and little bit up, little bit. Yes, perfect. And go to on back. See, that's my backside design, but I don't need this backside. So you can delete this backside. So click and right click, delete. Yes. This t-shirt design is perfect, right? And same guys, you can apply any elements and AI product design. So go to on here. This is my element, and guys, you can apply text. So guys, you can choose any text like a hashtag live, and go to on mid. Yes, go to on here and select this t-shirt design. So select this text and go to on mid here. Yes, perfect. And now, guys, you can change also color. So white color is perfect. White color, yes, really good. So, guys, you can also change text font. This is my different style of font. I like this one. Yes, this is my text. Right, you can apply text and also texture. Okay, so this part is complete. And now, guys, save your image. Yeah, right. See, guys, this is my beautiful t-shirt. And again, go to on here, video. So guys, I like this one, preview. Yeah, perfect. Okay, that's my 3D mockup t-shirt design effect. And guys, I apply this time this one. This is my animation, right? Really good. Okay, so now guys, you can also create AI effect. So go to one background here and AI and create background check. Yeah, it's my t-shirt. And guys, now this time I apply different type of AI design. So go to one down and go to one here. I like this one. So generate check. Right, it's really simple. Apply for AI design on any 3D product. Perfect. Beautiful, guys. Really easy. Right? See guys, that's my different style of images. Right? But I like this image is perfect. This is my AI image and export check. Right? So guys, now I show you two design. Firstly, hoodie, and second one, guys, I show you t-shirt design, and third one, guys, you can apply any 3D object. So I apply 3D object. So again, go to on here and all. See guys, Pacdora has a lots of 3D product design. right? So go to on second page, and guys, now this my iPhone, and guys, now guys, you can apply also iPhone mockup. So I show you how to create iPhone mockup. So click on here. Yes. And guys, now, firstly, you can change any iPhone color. Right? It's really easy. See, guys, that's my different style of colors. And go to on here. So, guys, click on here. See, it's my really beautiful blue effect. iPhone blue, right? Okay, so now, guys, I show you how to create iPhone mockup. So, click on here, upload. Guys, it's really simple. And add image. And guys, click on here and open, check. Yes. So guys, increase size like this and go to an up. Perfect. And click on here. See guys, it's my 3D mockup effect. So guys, now increase size. See. And now guys, I show you how to create simple animation. So save your project. Yeah, it's really beautiful, right? And guys, click on here, export. Guys, Pacdora has a different style of animation, default animation, and really smooth. So click on here. See, it's my beautiful effect. So I like this one. This template is perfect for my work. And guys, same. Guys, you can create export 2K and full HD frame. But guys, in my case, full HD frame is perfect. But guys, you can apply 2K. It's optional. So go to on here, full HD frame and export now. Check. See guys, I have different style of animation. So it's take a little bit time, like 1 minute and 2 minutes for exporting. And guys, now you can create second one. So go to on video and guys, click on here. See guys, that's my different style of animation. So again, export check, right? And lastly, guys, I show you how to create UV packaging design. So go to on here and guys, all. So go to on down. Guys, I like this one. This snack mockup is perfect. And click. Yes. Right? See, it's my 3D product design. So guys, now firstly click on here, upload. Okay, that's my UV, right? So guys, you can apply your images on this is my elements, UV elements. So add image and guys, go to a back. I have some snacks images. Yeah. And guys, smaller, go to on smaller and connect to mid and up. Yes, go to on here. Guys, Pacdora, it's really simple. Yes, perfect. See guys, that's my snacks effect. Snacks UV. So guys, you can copy this design. So select this image and right click. Guys, duplicate. So go to on mid. This one. This is my backside. Yeah. See guys, it's my backside. And also guys, you can create a side view. So go to one image and it's my side view. So open and guys, smaller. Yes. Wait. And guys, yeah. And see, guys, that's my foreground. Yeah, perfect. Right. Okay. So, guys, also I apply this time texture on side view. So, again, add image and click on here. This is my side view. So, open. Guys, you can create rotation. So, one click rotation. So, click on here and rotation. Check. This is my 90-degree angle. 90. And guys, smaller. So guys, simple. Guys, this Pacdora UV is really simple. See, right? And little bit up. Yes, perfect. Yeah, this image is perfect. And also guys, same. Right click, duplicate. So apply on here. Yes, perfect. See guys, that's my 3D snacks mockup design. And save your project. Yeah, really good. And now, guys, I apply this time AI generate effect. So go to on here, AI, and click on here and create AI background check. Guys, this AI design is perfect for me. I really like this Pacdora AI design. Yes. And guys, now I apply this time store market generate because this is my snacks. Yeah, really good. See guys, that's my 3D snacks model, right? And background is really perfect, like a supermarket store. Yes, this image is perfect. It's my AI generate image. And guys, this image is really realistic. So export check. Yes, perfect. Okay, so guys, that's it. It's my 3D mockup design. And now, guys, you can download and create your own animation and product design. I give you link in description. Thank you.